Howdy, and welcome back to more work or cringe, you decide, but I'm still making progress, so let's just jump right into what I've already been working on and go from there. First off, we have this beck-in. Simple little steel tabs there, bolted in. I may refine this a little bit, but I wanted this in place so I could properly measure what my radiator needs to be. I can potentially put the hood latch thing back here to know what the depth is and things of that nature. And over here we have the not dump pipes, but drop off from the headers. Have O2 sensor, and I did check their spots while under the car. Both of them are at minimum like not 90 degrees or flat with the pipe, but at least that one. I think that one's more like this, but either way, those are good to go. So I'm going to install those. I could swear I had something else too, but either way, as you can tell, things are a mess. Oh, and on the little pipe things, those are temporary. I don't care about buying new flanges. I just wanted something that I can put an O2 sensor in and be able to, when I get it started, because right now that's more my goal. I want to get it started. Engine still has to come back out, but I'd like to make sure that the engine can run, that the transmission can shift, get all that stuff ironed out. So I'm aiming more for that. But I also want to get everything else, yada yada. So anyway, we've got quick jacks that I want to put under her. I also want to clean underneath and organize things. So we're going to sort that about now. And look, it's clean. I mean, I still have to move some boxes over to there. Oh, and we have a new addition. Something I can now roll under the car with. Some quick jacks. They were on sale, like $12.99 via Costco. So a few $100 off. And I know I bought the hangers separately. And I think the blocks all came with it. I also bought truck blocks just in case, or truck stands, whatever. Either way, that gives me a whole crap ton of space because I could never get any of the jack stands high enough where I could climb under the car comfortably, let alone roll. And she's chilling out here today. So yeah, this coincides with the fact that next I'm either going to clean that fuel tank or get under there and fix what I know past Chris did, which was probably strip a bolt or two that held the straps in. Anyway, with that said, let me get to doing something that isn't steering here. Hooray! And here we are with the closing of this video, which again, I hope is a quick one. With that said, what we have accomplished, as I said, I removed those gas tank holder strip thingies, and I did not overforce one of the bolts. So that was all fairly simple. I have some Harbor Freight Special Evapo-Rust in the gas tank. I have the input-output just kind of routing to themselves. Yeah, it's not leaking. I've turned this a few different ways. It's nearing the point that I'm going to dump it all out, rinse it with water, then rinse it with gas, and be done with it. I've learned I need to probably cut a hose and make one of these thingies. I'm also missing one of these. I'm going to check outside, but I don't think I have one. And I need another one of these. So I've got to find something to make that work. And what I got there, a new way to measure the level of gas in there. It looks like it will work, at least dimension-wise. I'm hoping it will work when I hook up a fuel gauge to it or a Haltech or whatever. So, bunch of fuel stuff, various other things. Oh, you can't really see from here, but the turbo return line that I was going to put there is plugged up until I figure out what the hell I'm going to do on that front. I got the lines in place there. I just need to put some thread locker on them, sealant, whatever. And I need to put the oil pressure, temperature gauge, whatever. So I've got some little odds and ends that I've got the ball rolling, but they're not that special. I'll finish that up. But next video, we are going to get all this fuel crap put back where it needs to go. Will it be running? No. But it'll be in a position for me to wire things up and actually get the ball rolling. With that said, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Yada, yada, yada. Bye-bye.